Hey, ocean enthusiasts! Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dolphins, the charismatic and playful maestros of the ocean. Join me as we explore the fascinating lives of these marine marvels. Let's get started. First things first, let's meet our stars of the sea, the dolphins. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals known for their playful antics and incredible communication skills. They come in various species like the bottlenose dolphin, the spinner dolphin, and the orca, or killer whale. Now, what sets dolphins apart is their playful nature. These ocean acrobats are famous for riding waves, leaping into the air, and even playing games with seaweed. It's like they've mastered the art of having a good time in the vast blue playground. Dolphins are also fantastic communicators. They use a sophisticated system of clicks, whistles, and body language to communicate with each other. Plus, they're equipped with a built-in sonar system called echolocation, helping them navigate and locate prey with incredible precision. Dolphins aren't just about play, they're brainiacs of the ocean. Studies have shown that dolphins exhibit problem-solving skills, creativity, and even self-awareness. They've been observed using tools, collaborating in groups, and displaying a level of intelligence that continues to amaze researchers. Dolphins are social creatures, often found in groups called pods. These pods provide support and protection, especially for the younger members. Watching a pod of dolphins gracefully slicing through the waves is a truly mesmerizing sight. Dolphins also share a unique connection with humans. Many people have stories of dolphins approaching boats, riding alongside surfers, or even helping lost swimmers back to shore. These heartwarming encounters highlight the friendly and compassionate nature of these marine beings. While we celebrate the wonders of dolphins, it's essential to recognize the challenges they face, from pollution and habitat loss to accidental entanglement in fishing gear. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the well-being of these remarkable creatures and the health of our oceans. And there you have it, the incredible world of dolphins, the playful maestros of the ocean. If you enjoyed this exploration, hit the like button, subscribe for more marine adventures, and share your favorite dolphin moments in the comments below. Until our next dive into the deep blue, stay curious and keep riding the waves of wonder.